Hello, welcome to my channel. For today I'm using dipping powder to create these French nails. This set I did it off camera and is already like 3 weeks old. I just wanted to show you how it's looking. There is no lifting. Everything is looking fine. And I will show you the method that I'm using. It's a very easy one with dip powder. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. All the products that I'm using, you can find them in the link description below. This is the design that we will do this time. It's a little bit different, but it's the same method. I already prepped the nails. I let only one nail for you to see how I'm doing this prep. I'm using this dipping powder from Born Pretty, the white one and a pink shade. Yes, a pink shade. The color are Autumn Light and Eternal Summit. You can find them in the link description below. There is a discount code also if you are going through that link. I'm using this dipping powder with base coat gel that I'm curing it under LED lamp. I don't use the dip powder kit, the one without lamp. These are the colors and it's very easy to use. We'll see how we can do this in a bit. We'll do the preparation only for one finger. I'm using this drill bit ceramic medium coarse. To remove any lifting. I already posted a video for drill bits guide, and if you want to check it, it's in the link description below. It's a complete guide with all the tools that I'm using, I mean drill bits that I'm using that I have and the ones that I'm recommending to use. Now this one I'm using it at I think less than 5000 RPM speed, and make sure that you are not touching the natural nail, just remove the lifting only. The lifting part is that white layer, that is the lifting. I'm using this sanding bit just to prep the nail, to smooth the nail plate, and I can use it also underneath. Yes, this is exactly like a nail file, but only that goes with speed. The buffer just to smooth the nail, this will be like last step before getting into cuticles and refilling. I'm still using the nail file. I shouldn't use the nail file after buffer, but you can. I mean, you need to buff it again after that. The only thing, because I didn't shape it, I forgot to shape it. The nail file that I'm using is 100 by 180 grit. I'm using the isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust and the cuticle remover. This is a solution that I bought it from Amazon. I really like it as removing very fast cuticle from nail plate, and it's making easier to use the drill bit or to cut it directly, or or nothing, or you can, if you don't have too much cuticle there, you can just let it like this. I'm using this drill bit fine grit to lift up any cuticle from the nail plate. This cuticle nipper from Stalex that I'm using, just to cut a little bit to trim the cuticle. And this step you can use it also with a drill bit if you want. You can see in my other videos I'm using different methods for cuticles, whichever suits you and whichever is perfect for your type of cuticles you can use. some isopropyl alcohol, and this is the final look. Now we'll go for prepping, for refilling, and I'm going to use the bond control, just one layer. Remember, this one we don't cure it. And this is mostly applied on natural nail. After that, I'm applying a layer of base coat, and this one I will cure it for 30 seconds. This is the protective coat, that's why it's base coat. After curing it, I can apply this Born Pretty dipping powder. This is the autumn light color. I'm just, after I cure the first layer of base coat, now I'm applying a second layer. I mean, this would be the first layer on application, okay? Because I already applied one, but this would be the first one for application. So a thin layer, and just dip in the powder. Remove the excess and go in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I will just brush out the excess and repeat the process. A thin layer of base coat, dip it in the powder and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm applying now a second coat of base gel, just to seal it. After I cure it for 30 seconds, I can remove the shine. I'm using the buffer to smooth the nail. Some isopropyl alcohol to remove any small dust or something remaining there. And now I can do the French. You can let the nails like this if you want. You can just apply a top coat and finished. But I want to do the French. So I'm using these stickers. There are different stickers, you can buy them anywhere. I bought mine from Shein, but I have also from Amazon or from AliExpress. And I just place it where I want to have it as a guide. Now I'm placing one coat of base gel. I should normally place one coat of base gel and cure it, and after that start the application of 2 coats. But I believe this time I forgot. It's better when you are applying first coat of base gel because you are locking in that design. It will not spill. But I believe it will go well even like this. So I'm applying a second coat. You can let one coat if you want it. You just want to be a sheer white. You can let only one coat, but I want to be a little bit more white. And cure it for 30 seconds in the lamp. Remove any excess. And start removing these stickers. It may be a little bit difficult because it's dipping powder, and dipping powder is a combination of acrylic and gel. So it may be a little bit difficult, but not that much. You can see it's removing very well. Maybe it's easier with the fingers to do it. Now I'm applying a full layer of base coat. I didn't apply on a ringer because I want to put a sticker there. I cure it for 30 seconds. I'm applying this sticker on the ringer. This is not water decal, so you can just stick it. It's a little bit harder to remove it from this paper, but not impossible. Just make sure with stickers that you are not breaking them before applying. I put the base coat now, one layer, and I can cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm ready for top coat. The top coat always will cure it 60 seconds. And this would be the final look that will come shortly. This is the final look. I believe it's nice. I like it. I like this French. I like with these stickers. It's looking clean, neat. And this is an easy method. You shall try it with dip powder and base gel that you can cure it under LED lamp. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting new videos. These products, you can find them in the link description below. You have a discount code for Board Pretty if you are going with my link. And as well, check the guide for drill bits. I have the link in description below. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.